Do you think this look like me? Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I make all sorts of things using the Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And in this project, I'm gonna show you how I laser cut this silhouette photo out of acrylic. First thing you're gonna need is a photo. I decided to take a selfie. I put on sunglasses because I think it looks better. I'm gonna use 1/8 inch acrylic, white, red, and black. Also, I'm using Corel Draw, but I'm pretty sure you can use any other graphic software. Change the color to grayscale so I can see it better. The main tool I'm gonna use in this project is the pen tool. I trace just enough so you get the idea when you first see the picture. To achieve the red cutout, I used the Smart Fill tool and I just moved them to the side. Laser cut silhouette photo out of acrylic. It turned out way better than I thought. It's about 4 by 6 inches, little small. I'm probably gonna put it in a picture frame or something like that. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next project. Daddy. Yes. Yeah, video.